Welcome to the in front of me Motorola Moto G60S, and I'll show you how to unmute ringtone on this device. So first you should go to the settings and here tap to the sounds and vibration. Here you'll see the ring and notification volume panel. Just to unmute your ringtone, swipe this dot to the right side with your finger, and that's it. And also we got the second way how you can do that. Just here on the right side of your device you got the volume buttons. Just press up or down volume button, that doesn't matter, and here tap to the settings icon and you'll enter the sounds and vibrations settings, and just by the same way swipe this dot to the right side and just to confirm and save the changes, tap here to done. And that's it. That's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.